Tired of domain name costs eating into your website budget? Let's unlock the secrets to getting a free domain name with Wix. While Wix doesn't hand out free domains, they do offer a fantastic deal when you subscribe to one of their yearly premium plans. Head over to Wix.com and check out their pricing options. Almost all yearly plans include a free domain voucher for the first year. See how the yearly plans are highlighted. Look for the words free domain voucher. It's generally listed as one of the plan benefits, and choose the plan that best suits your website needs. Considering factors like storage, bandwidth, and e-commerce features, it's best to get this right the first time. After you've selected your plan and checked out, you'll be prompted to choose your domain. Enter your desired domain name in the search bar to check its availability. You'll want to pick something memorable and relevant to your brand. If your preferred domain is available, claim it. If not, Wix will suggest alternatives, or you can tweak your search. Note that the domain is free on LY for the first year. Set a reminder. Don't forget to renew your domain registration before it expires to avoid losing it. Wix will send you reminders, but it's always good to be proactive. Domain renewals can sometimes be confused as a new bill, so budget and remember. You can manage all your domain settings directly from your Wix dashboard. You can find settings regarding renewals and domain features. And that's it. By choosing a Wix yearly premium plan, you secure a free domain for the first year, saving you some money and streamlining your website setup. Remember, happy domaining!